I don't think it's difficult to find a job teaching English online. The problem people have is how to become a successful online teacher, to generate a really good income, to build a sustainable schedule, to find a company that is going to be reliable, pay you on time, not let you down, have good systems, good structure, a good curriculum. I mean, the list goes on. I'm a TEFL coach, and I think I can help you to solve the problems that you're experiencing. You may already have a job. Congratulations if you do. You may be in that really tough process of finding a job. Maybe you've been offered a job, but you're not feeling too satisfied with A, how you've been dealt with, B, what they're offering. There's so many things that I think I can help you with, because I've been living, teaching, training and recruiting teachers in Thailand and for Cambodia, and in the last 3 years online too. So I have a lot of knowledge that I'd like to share with you, and today I want to try and help solve some of the problems that I know you're probably experiencing. Like I said, someone that hasn't got a job but they're looking for one, someone that has a job and maybe they're feeling a bit frustrated, undervalued. I've got a bit of a list of things that I want to talk about. But let's talk about the first thing on what I believe makes a successful online teacher. You can also apply some of these strategies to classroom teaching as well when you're looking for a job, so I hope this is going to be useful. Let's talk about mindset. I've worked with thousands of people over the years, and I often get asked the question, what are the mistakes people make when starting this career, starting this job, working in a new culture? I think it's mindset, yeah? I have met quite a few people who become very frustrated very quickly because they don't have the mindset. The mindset they had is that teaching English is a bit of a side hustle. It's something they can do that's quite easy to earn additional money because it might not be the main income. People don't realise that it's actually really hard work. Now, I'm not saying you can't work smart, not hard, because believe me, I like doing that. But in order to do that, sorry, just need to tap my screen. In order to do that, there's a lot of things you need to know. And understanding that teaching online is pretty brutal sometimes. However, you can set things up so it is less brutal and you don't burn out like I did. Working 7 days a week, all day Saturday, all day Sunday. I did it for 3 years and I had a very positive mindset, but there's only so much the body and the mind can take, right, before your body starts to fail you. I mean, you're sitting down for 5 hours, it's really hard to stand up, isn't it? Especially at my age. So get your mindset right. Go into this understanding that it is a tough job. It takes passion, energy, preparation. You've got to be reliable. You've got to be consistent. If you can't be that, you're going to have trouble being successful. I'm sorry to say. People apply for jobs, and I think the mistake they make is they just apply for jobs without thinking, who do I want to work for? What kind of company? And I think that's really important. I would suggest that you don't apply to these really large companies where you could be one of many thousands of teachers and you're not really talking to anyone directly. You're just sitting there waiting for demo classes, waiting for students, becoming frustrated. So do your best to try and find a medium-sized company or a smaller company where you can actually talk to someone, a coordinator, and if you're very lucky, the owner. That's what I did. And what I'll do is I'll drop a link below in the comments to a really good website where you can actually look for jobs teaching English to Chinese students. I'd also like to say that a really good strategy is to have a really good Google search, because it's amazing what Google comes up with, right? Good mindset. Think about working for a sort of small to medium-sized company where you're recognised for your strengths, and I think that is really important. I think people also sometimes don't get well prepared when it comes to the application, the resume, the introduction video. It's so important. You know, these first impressions, and trust me, first impressions are everything here in Asia. Really important how you present yourself, how you market yourself, and even down to what the email says, yeah? Again, I receive so many, or I have received so many emails over the years, resumes without photos, introduction videos with, you know, shadows and light switches and all kinds of weird stuff in the background, which is very distracting. So these are the things you need to think about, how you present yourself. And that's one of many things I can help you with. I've got a promotion currently, actually. If you check the link below, you may or may not know, but I'm a TEFL coach, yeah? I've been here for 22 years, and I can help you. Check the link, because usually my hourly rate is $60 an hour, and currently I'm doing 50% off. You'll see a link and you'll see a discount code, and the first hour I have with my clients is really where I can show them the value that I can bring and answer all of those burning questions that I know you have. And I will give you all of my energy, all of my passion, and all of my knowledge to help you get to where you deserve to be. All right? I've interviewed hundreds of teachers. I can help you prepare for interviews. So when you find a decent company, a smaller company, that's being quite picky because there's so many people out there looking to teach full-time or as a part-time side hustle, it's really hard to stand out, and I can make you stand out, all right? I get contacted by people that say, I've got a job, yeah! And I'll ask them, how many students have you got? Oh, I don't have any yet. Well, how are you going to get students? Oh, I don't know, I guess I'll just get some students, yeah? One thing people don't realise when they go into this industry, when you get a job working for an online company, you're not handed students. You might get a couple if they've got a couple of students who are desperately looking for a teacher. What usually has to happen is you need to do what's called a demo class, and that class will be free. So if you're thinking about coming over to Thailand and teaching online and everything's going to be fine, I'm going to make $1,000 a month, $1,500 a month, yes, it's possible. But just remember, it takes probably 6 weeks to 2 months, maybe more, to build up your schedule, because whilst you might capture one student who might sign up for 2 or 3 classes a week, you've got to do a lot of demo classes to build that schedule, a sustainable schedule. And once you get those students, you've got to maintain it. You've got to get them to re-sign. And this is the other thing that I know I can help you with. It's how to teach a really outstanding demo class. This is something I'm really good at. I've had a lot of practice, to be honest with you. I don't mean to sound big-headed. I'm not trying to blow my own trumpet. Well, I am a little bit. But I do have the confidence in my abilities, and I know what the parents like, I know what the students like, and I know what the companies want. Yeah? So that's another thing. Don't think that getting the job, all your problems are solved, because they're not. It takes time, and it takes grind, and it takes consistency, and it takes being available at short notice, and it takes having the positive mindset to go through all of these free classes. And if you're not converting the demo classes, the company's going to stop feeding them to you. They're going to start giving the demos to other people. So it's really important that you have a good strike rate. And that's one thing that I know I can help you with. in the coaching. I do a program actually. I have a full program that will take you from where you are now to walking into your first class in Thailand or Cambodia, or finding that first job online. I can teach you everything you need to know about teaching, as well as the grammar and how to apply, a long list. And if you comment below, send me an email, I will send you the information about that. Check my website too, because all the information's in there. So scheduling's really important, okay? Make sure your schedule is sustainable, all right? Don't work back-to-back classes over 4 or 5 hours, because A, it's not healthy for you, and B, you're going to burn out, and you're not going to be able to offer that consistency to your students. Now, the kids you see at 4 o'clock, where you're giving it everything you've got, you need to remember that the student at 8:30 deserves the same. So it's important that you have a sustainable schedule with breaks, so you can offer your students, your clients, your mums, your dads, your customers, remember that, consistency. All right, it's really important. So these are the things you need to be aware of. Okay, and I think what's also important is you've got to build a reputation online. Yeah, if you are consistently you, well prepared, passionate, energetic, working hard, reliable, your reputation's going to build, and eventually you're going to become successful. And I'm a great believer that hard work and consistency will get you anywhere, in any job, right? Eventually it pays off. But please remember, you've got to put in the work. And while you're doing it, if you don't maintain a positive, can-do mindset, it's going to start falling apart. And I've seen it so many times where teachers start becoming negative and frustrated. But again, if you speak to someone like me, I mean, it might not be me, but I know I can help you. I can help you to understand the process involved in maintaining a healthy, sustainable schedule and being able to be a well-prepared, passionate, energetic teacher. And I'm a great believer in the KISS principle. I can help you to plan and execute really engaging, fun classes following a really logical structure and process. If you book the first hour with me, you get a free copy of my ebook, The Lesson Flow. Now, there's a lot of love in that book. 22 years, I wrote it 2 years ago, so 20 years of knowledge, all crammed into about 32 pages. You know, it's not War and Peace, but everything in there is going to help you to build a really logical, progressive, fun, engaging class. And I know it will be a brilliant supplementary material to what you're doing on your TEFL course. So, I think I've covered some of the more important things. There's so much more I can talk about. But comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Send me an email. Like, share, subscribe. There might be someone else who is interested in exploring this incredible job. And by the way, it doesn't actually feel like you're working if you get it right. It's fun, all right? And it can be sustainable. And like I said, I know what it means to have an unsustainable schedule, because I literally did have a burnout. Took me a year to recover, but I'm back. And now I'm using all of my knowledge and experience to help new, aspiring and experienced teachers. So thank you for listening. If you're still there, I must have said something right, but I'd love to meet you. I'd love to talk to you. I'd love to help you. If you're not feeling too confident about using the link below, send me an email and I'll share my WhatsApp number. I can't stay on the phone for hours, but I can really try to reassure you. I'm not AI, I'm not a scammer, I'm real. And I think I can help you. So, thank you for listening. I really appreciate your time, and I will see you in the next video. Check my other videos, loads of good stuff in here. All right, teachers, thank you very much. See you later.